This week we're going to take a look at an update on U.S. corn planting progress, take a look at short-term weather trends, and also examine the wheat market. It's surging at the moment and could have an influence on corn moving forward. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the middle of May, and once again these markets are moving extremely volatile. Let's go ahead now and start and look at our updated corn planting progress across the U.S. Now, as of Sunday the 15th, USDA pegged nationwide corn planting at 49%. You can see that's a big jump from 22% last week. However, it's well below 78% last year and 67% for the 5-year average. The states we'll highlight here up in that northwest and northern plains area, only 4% done in North Dakota, for example, compared to 41% on the 5-year average. Let's move on now and look at some history here. This is showing the last 6 years of corn planting progress as well as the 5-year average. Notice that red line, we did see a spike up this week, as I mentioned, up to 49%. Now on average, about 20% more of the corn is planted between May 15th and the 29th, which pushes to about 87%. I think we could do more than 20% over the next 2 weeks. I'm not sure if we're going to get up to 87% by Memorial Day. Of course, our corn planting progress over the next 2 weeks will be directly tied to the weather. Let's take a look at short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now we're starting out here looking at a measure of topsoil moisture, rainfall over the last 14 days. The dark red imply very little rainfall, for example, down in the southern plains. But look at that northern plains area, North Dakota again, really struggling with some wet conditions. And across the heart of the Corn Belt, kind of a mixed bag. We're looking further into this week now, Thursday through Saturday of this week, the heaviest rainfall again in that pink area, a ½ inch to an inch of rain up in that northern parts of North Dakota, northwest Minnesota. All across that green area here, it's more of a 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. So hopefully we can continue to get some good progress this week. Now it is going to cool down starting 3 to 4 days, for 3 or 4 days starting Friday and Saturday. Well below normal temperatures here this weekend. Now we're looking ahead to the week of Memorial Day, moving into Memorial Day, May 23rd to the 30th. All that green area here is looking for some scattered shower activity. Probably the heaviest amounts, most organized amounts, around Tuesday to Wednesday. Let's wrap things up looking this week at what's happening in the wheat market. What does the wheat have to do with corn? Well, wheat is a feed substitute for corn, and right now the wheat market is extremely strong. Let's take a look at what's going on there. Now this is looking at where the wheat exports go. This was our forecast back in March. We all know, of course, with the war in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia, that red slice of the export pie was going to be reduced because of, obviously, the inability to export due to the war. Our forecast at that time was that we're going to export about 10 million tons of wheat from Ukraine. It means we need to ration about 11.5 million tons. Well, the USDA did come out last week and forecast Ukraine at 10 million tons exports in that red slice. But that was offset, that cut was offset by larger shipments from other countries such as Russia, Australia, Canada. I would highlight here India at 8 million tons. Why is that important? Because India came out this weekend and announced they're going to export, at least now, 0 rather than that 8 million tons. So here's the key message I want to highlight. Price rationing in wheat is now required. So wheat is not a feed substitute at the moment for corn in the U.S. or worldwide, which means, again, the corn is the primary feed ingredient in livestock and poultry rations. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Now, December corn surging once again here into mid-May, near $7.60 a bushel. That by far is the highest price ever for mid-May. So we continue to strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.